Okay, can you all see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once again, good afternoon, students. So today we will be discussing about the digestive system, also known as the gastrointestinal tract. So in anatomy also you will get this gastrointestinal tract. So don't get confused in that. It's similar. Okay, it means the gastrointestinal tract and the digestive system is similar. Don't get confused. I won't explain it like separately for anatomy and again separately for physiology because it's similar. Okay, so now let us start about the gastrointestinal tract. So from the name itself, gastrointestinal tract, it comes under which digestive system? Aliza, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Aliza? It comes
Yes,
under
ma'am.
which system? It comes under which system? Can you please tell me? Digestive system. Okay, good. So the gastrointestinal tract, it comes under the digestive system. Okay, so this is the gastrointestinal tract, also known as GIT tract. All right. So the gastrointestinal tract, it starts from the mouth and ends in the anus. All right. So mouth, then anus. So what is like? Okay, let us discuss one by one. Okay, so the gastrointestinal tract, what happens? It is the hollow organs. All right, so hollow organs. So hollow from the name itself. Hollow means there is a hole. Why? Because so that the food will enter inside it, inside your body, so that they give you proper nutrients, energy, vitamins, and so on. So why it is hollow? So that the food can enter inside your body. All right. So that's why it is known as a hollow organ, and it is a tube-like structure. Like from the picture itself, you can see it is like a tube. It's not it. So it is like a tube in structure, and it's a hollow organ, and it starts from the mouth. It starts from the mouth till the anus. All right. Is it clear till here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what is there in the hollow organs of the gastrointestinal tract? Your mouth, as I've already said, your mouth, your tongue, your esophagus, stomach, and all this. All these are included. And the solid organs. So what are the solid organs which are included in the gastrointestinal tract? Your liver, your pancreas, your gallbladder, all these are the solid organs. Solid organs means which will work a bit more, you can say that, compared to the other. Is it clear, the overview, this portion, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's Carly, you have sent something in the group. What is this? No need to say anything. Tell her to inform ma'am in group. What is this?
Oh, Celine was unable to enter the class. Someone told me so. I replied, ma'am.
What?
Celine is unable to join the class.
Oh,
A friend told me.
okay. No problem. Shalin, are you able now? Wait. Oh, Shalin is not able to join. I think she's having some network issues then. No? I think she's having some network issues. Okay. Okay, so now let us discuss about the functions of the gastrointestinal tract, or else you can say the digestive system. Okay, what happens in the function in the gastrointestinal tract whenever you eat something, like say for example food or any eatables? Whenever you eat, what happens? Like they will absorb. They absorb all the nutrients. All right, they absorb all the nutrients, and afterwards what happens? All the unwanted particles, or you can say all the like unwanted, or else the ones which we can't digest, all these are excreted out, in digestion. That means in the form of what? Excretion means expel, that means to take out from your body, means whatever unwanted particles are there in your body, it comes out in the form of what? Bubbly. It comes out in the form of bubbly. Are you able to hear
Yes,
me? It comes out in the form of, yes. जो मतलब हम लोग जब खाना, yes, you were saying something.
I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Like when you eat something, right? जब तुम लोग खाना खाते हो तो क्या होता है, जो हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं वो एब्सॉर्ब करता है, मतलब उसको, मतलब जो जो अच्छा न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, ठीक है, जो जो अच्छा न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उसको मतलब खींचता है अंदर से, और जो जो मतलब अनवांटेड, मतलब जो जो मतलब हम लोग का शरीर में इतना जरूरत नहीं है, वो क्या होता है मतलब, और जो डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हम लोग का बॉडी, तो क्या होता है वहां पे, हम लोग के शरीर के अंदर से अपने आप निकल जाता है। तो वो जो क्या बोलता है, जो अनवांटेड, मतलब जो हम लोग को जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, वो किस कैसे द्वारा हम लोग के शरीर के अंदर से निकलता है, हाउ डज इट कम्स आउट इन द फॉर्म, हाउ डज दिस अनवांटेड पार्टिकल्स और अनवांटेड प्रोडक्ट्स कम्स आउट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी? Wait, let me ask someone. Misha Modi, can you tell me?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Who knows the answer?
Ma'am,
Throughout stool.
Yes.
stool, ma'am.
Stool.
Stool.
Okay. Yes,
Latrine,
it's
ma'am.
correct. It's correct. We can say feces also. Okay, not F-I-S, F-A-E-C-E-S. Feces also you can say stool, or else you can say latrine also. Anything that you like, they'd like to say. Okay, so it comes out in the form of stool, latrine. Understand? Okay, next is the main function of the digestion is what? Like carbohydrates, it absorbs carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, where will you find? You will find in rice, you will find in potato, this one, all this bread, all this. They gives you energy. All right, they gives you energy, these carbohydrates. And next is proteins. Proteins, where will you find? You will find in egg. Okay, they gives you muscular strength, all this they provide you, they gives you. Next is lipids. Lipids, it comes out in the form of fats. All right, you will find in like animal fats, all this. And next is vitamins. Vitamins, it will come in different form, but we won't discuss the different forms of vitamins, but I'll just tell you one example is that vitamin C, which helps the skin, which helps your skin. Okay, all these are included, and all these things, whatever we have discussed right now, all this, what do they do? Whenever you have some nutrients, they absorb, and they goes where? They goes into your bloodstream. All right, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, next is process of digestion. So how your digestion starts, how it begins. So how does it begin? First is digestion starts in the mouth. Obviously, it will start in the mouth, it's not it? So what will happen? Since your digestion starts from the mouth, so what happens when you insert the food inside your mouth? Obviously, you'll have to chew it. It's not it. You will chew it in with the help of what? With the help of your teeth. Okay, with the help of your teeth, you will it will help you in chewing, and your saliva. Your saliva will help you in breaking down the food which you consume or else you are having. And your saliva will help the food in moistening the food. Moistening means what? They will help you in like making the food slippery, like moisture. All right, so that it will be easy for you to swallow. So means you just imagine your mouth without saliva. How will it be? How will it be?
I think no taste.
Pardon?
No taste.
Not what? Not is what you are saying?
I think there will be less.
There will
Taste.
be.
Less
Actually,
taste and then
no taste. Oh, you meant to say no taste. Is it?
yes,
Because the taste,
less taste. Yeah.
how to explain? You can know the taste with the help of your tongue. It's not because there are many taste buds are there in your tongue. It's not it.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's not exactly correct, but still you have tried. It's okay. It's good. Anyone else? Like you just imagine your mouth without saliva. Just imagine. How will it be?
It will be difficult to swallow food, ma'am.
Difficult to swallow food. Why? Means I want the reason.
It will be dry, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Dry. Your mouth will be dry. You just imagine. You just imagine once. You are chewing the food, but without saliva. You will have to drink lots of water. It's not it. You will consume something like one sip of water. Again, you will consume something one sip of water. It's not it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you'll have to drink lots and lots of water. All right. So for that, saliva is like what to say? Saliva is there. All right. Is it clear? In order to moisten the food, means in order to make the food what to say, easy to swallow. Okay, taste, it comes in the tongue. We will discuss in the sense organs. Okay, Shilunong, you were saying about the taste.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Taste we will get in different topic, that is in the sense organs. In the sense organs we will discuss that. All right, means in your tongue there is like different compartments, like for the there is different compartment for the bitter taste, then sour, then spice. All these different compartments are there. We will discuss in the sense organs or sensory organs. All right, it is not linked with the saliva. Okay. Okay, so in the salivary glands, they make saliva, and what happens there? Digestive juice is also there, which helps the food in moistening the food. Means it will help in making the food slippery, so that it will be easy for you to swallow it. And it starts from the esophagus to your stomach. The saliva, the digestive juice, right? Okay, so in the saliva, what will you find? You will find an enzyme, and this enzyme, they helps you in breaking down the starch in your food. I hope it's clear till here, process of digestion. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is esophagus. So esophagus, let me show you again. Okay, so esophagus is a muscular tube. From the picture itself, you can just see it. It is a muscular tube. It's not it. It starts from the mouth and ends in the stomach, like from this. Okay, from here to here. And the esophagus, like it is the network, or else you can say the connection from where the mouth starts and from where you consume the food. All right, and it ends here. And whatever food you will have, it will go and supply in this stomach. All right, is it clear? And okay. Okay, now let us see about this. That is oral cavity. So from the name itself, oral. Oral means what? Mouth. It's linked with your mouth, isn't it? And in the oral cavity, are you all able to hear me?
No, ma'am, it's disturbing.
Or else you are getting some disturbance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Background
Background noise,
noise.
ma'am.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so oral cavity. Oral cavity, from the name itself, mouth. Okay, so this is the point of entry of the food. So from here, your food consumption starts. That is this. And what happens? What happens here with the help of the teeth? Like you will chew the food, and that food particle, when it will break into smaller pieces, it is known as mastication. Like when you break it, when the food is like broken down, it is known as mastication. And as we belong from mammals, so what it says is that all the mammals, they chew the food. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it's better to continue. No? You want me to continue in this, or else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Continue,
ma'am.
please.
Okay. So what happens as you chew the food, the saliva, who produces the saliva? What is the name of the gland? Salivary glands. From the name itself, salivary glands, they mix with the food. And saliva is a watery substance. It's not it. Or else it is a solid substance. Yes?
Liquid substance.
Yes. Watery. It's watery. All right. Okay. So in the saliva, what you will find, there are three major glands that secrete saliva, which are the parotid, the submandibular, and the sublingual. Let me show you. Parotid, submandibular, this one, and sublingual. All right. So these are the name of the glands that you will find in the saliva, or salivary gland. All right. So the parotid gland, it lies, or else you will find in front of your ear. So this is your ear. This ये तुम लोग का कान है, उसके ठीक सामने पे ये parotid gland, parotid salivary gland मिलता है, ठीक है? This one. The next is sublingual salivary gland. It is located where? It is located under your tongue. So this is your tongue, right? So it is like right downside, sublingual salivary gland. All right. Okay, next is submandibular salivary gland. So it lies deep in the mouth. So this is your mouth. So this one. Are you clear? Parotid gland, it lies in front of your ear here. Sublingual salivary gland is located under your tongue here. And submandibular salivary gland, it lies deep in the mouth. It is here. Okay, so these are the name of the three major glands that secrete saliva. and this saliva, they contains mucus that moisten foods. Okay, so what do you mean by mucus? Mucus is a slimy substance or else a slippery substance which you will find in your nose also. So mucus, you can say it as whenever you have cough or runny nose, what happens, like some like yellow colored substance comes out. It's not it, yes or no? Do you, I
Yes,
think every
ma'am.
one of you will have cough and cold. Yes. Or else someone is like very healthy that from the time since he or she was born, they didn't have like till now they are not like having fever, cough or anything. Is there anyone? I don't think anyone will be, but still I'm just asking you. Is there anyone since the time he or she was born didn't have any cough, cold, fever? Is there anyone? Hmm?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, I don't think so. Okay, so all of you will be familiar with this mucus. It's not it, because it comes out from your body itself. So the saliva, they contains that is mucus. It helps in moistening the food. Means it helps in, you know, the moistening. Like it helps even like, how to explain? Making the food
Wet, ma'am.
yes, wet. Yes, exactly what I was about to say. That yes, wet, not damp, like not dry, like that. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we continue with esophagus? Esophagus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us continue now. Okay, so this is the esophagus. So esophagus is a tubular organ. As I've already said, it is a hollow tubular organ. So this is from the picture itself, you can just see that it is like a tube in shape. It's not it. It is a hollow organ, means there is a hole. Okay, it connects from your mouth till your stomach. Okay, so this is it. Okay, what happens in your esophagus when you chew the food? You already means now you keep in your mind that the food is already there, like you have already chewed it and it is broken up into smaller pieces. Now you imagine in such a way that you have the food which you have chewed right now, it's about to enter in your esophagus. You assume in that way. Okay, you think in that way, you imagine in that way, so that it will be easy for you to understand. मतलब तुम लोग अभी ये मन में रख लेना कि तुम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मतलब खाना चबा लिया और छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा में ऑलरेडी हो गया, और ये मान लेना कि अभी तुम लोग का इसोफेगस के अंदर अभी चला जाएगा, ऐसे मान लेना, ठीक है? ओके, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, ताकि तुम लोग को ज्यादा समझ में आने के लिए मतलब ऐसे इमेजिन करो, ऐसे जस्ट इमेजिन इट. ओके. Okay, so what will happen? So the food is entering inside this esophagus. All right. So what happens? Your esophagus, it will contract. Means it will become like small. It will be like, how to say? They will push. They will push it. From the picture itself, you can just see it, right? Means the food is going contraction. Again, the food is going down, contraction. Again, the food is going down, contraction. It's like that. Means they are meeting each other, contracting each other. All right, is it clear? And when they goes, no, when the food bolus, it is known as food bolus, bolus. Okay, like it will become all like what happens? Like you ever tried, like when you what to say? You take a rice, like the cooked one, not the uncooked one. You take a rice which is cooked one, and you just try to make a ball. B-A-double-L ball. Okay, so do you understand? Are you getting me what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम लोग चावल लेना जो पका हुआ है, नॉट कच्चा वाला, जो पक लेने वाला मतलब चावल लेके तुम लोग एक बार गूल कर लो, मतलब गोल, ठीक है, बॉल का जैसा ऐसे गूल बनाओ, तो उसको बोलते हैं फूड बोलस. Okay, I'm just making you all to understand, like, so that it will be easy for you, like, to comprehend what I'm saying. All right. Okay, so what will happen, like, the food bolus, when it enters in the esophagus, it will go down. This is known as the food bolus. Don't think that the food will means as soon as you'll have food, it will go like this. Means after all the process, okay, after mastication and all those, the food will look like this now. The food will look like this now. It will appear like this now. जो चबाने के बाद खाना ये सब ऐसे ऐसे दिखेगा दिखने में. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये जो फूड बोलर्स है अंदर जाते रहेगा, तो ऐसा ऐसा दिखेगा दिखने में. ठीक है, समझ में आया? तो ये जो मूवमेंट है, जब खाना मतलब नीचे जाएगा ना, if it will go down and down and down, if it will go down and down and down, so we will have some movement. Understand? Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Say for example, you are inserting something in the pipe, rubber pipe. You please mute yourself, whoever it is. I'm getting disturbed. Who is it? Okay, so you just imagine. तुम लोग imagine करना कि rubber pipe के अंदर तुम लोग कुछ अंदर घुसा रहे हो, तो क्या होगा? Obviously, मतलब it will have some movement. It's not it. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
that movement. So same thing in the esophagus also, it will be like that. All right. So when the food will enter, it will create some movement, just like a wave. You know na wave, W-A-V-E, wave. Wave को क्या बोलता है हिंदी में?
Leher, ma'am.
Leher, yes, leher. Yes, thanks. Okay, it will मतलब लहर का जैसा होगा दिखने में, ठीक है? So it will be just like a wave. So that wave or else जो लहर होगा, उसको क्या बोलता है? उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Peristalsis. Okay, that wave is it is known as peristalsis movement. All right, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
that movement, the movement which is there in the esophagus, it will be like a wave, and it is known as peristalsis movement. Okay, is it clear till here? Any doubts? Okay, wait. So the peristalsis movement of the esophagus is an involuntary reflex taking place in response to the act of swallowing. So it is an involuntary reflex. Involuntary means, can anybody tell me? I don't think it's new thing to you, this term.
I'm not in control, ma'am.
Pardon?
A movement that is not in our control.
Which is not in
That
your
we
control,
cannot-
yes. Which you can't control, okay? Involuntary movement. Say for example, I'm just giving you an example. Like for example, what was that? How many types of muscles do you have? Cardiac muscle, then smooth muscle, and skeletal muscle, right?
Skeletal.
Yes. So skeletal muscle is what? What kind of movement?
Voluntary, ma'am.
Yes,
Voluntary
voluntary.
movement.
Voluntary means which you can control. Say for example, if I do some physical activities, all this, I'm moving my body, I'm dancing, I'm moving through my will, through my own self. It's not it. So that one is known as voluntary, and involuntary means which you can't control. So the peristalsis movement is which you can't control. Is it okay? You can't control this peristalsis movement. Of course, you won't be able to control it because it's inside. Okay, so far, is it clear? Till here? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Tinkrao, Balo, and all, Deepjyoti, Dhritiraj. Any doubts? Suraksha, Yamang, and all that.
Ma'am, what number 10 is what is the topic about?
Pardon?
Number 10, ma'am.
This one?
No, 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 no.
What number
Topic
10?
number 10, ma'am.
What topic number
Topic
10?
number 10, ma'am.
What is topic number 10?
After,
Only two. Which one? This one, esophagus.
Yeah, yes, yes. No, no, no. This after esophagus.
This one. This one. Balo.
No, no, no. After esophagus. No, no,
After
no, no,
this.
ma'am. After esophagus. After esophagus, ma'am.
After esophagus, stomach.
Yes, yes, yes.
We will discuss all this later. Huh? Actually, I'm discussing one by one, like systematically. I'm discussing. All right, I'm not jumping from like esophagus to intestine like that. I'm going systematically so that you all will be. It will be easy for you all to understand, no? So I'm moving it systematically.
Yes,
It means orderly. Okay, like this.
Okay, okay.
Like mouth we have discussed, and esophagus and stomach, like this. We will come one by one. हम लोग एक एक करके आएंगे नीचे. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then that's all for today's class. Thank you, everyone. From morning class, whoever have joined, anyone joined newly from morning? Whoever didn't join? Anyone? Anyone like who joined newly? Yes or no? I hope it's a no because no response.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
In the next class, we will discuss.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, wait, wait. Just wait a sec. Tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Saturday. Just wait. Tomorrow I'm having physio. Okay, tomorrow we will continue then. Tomorrow we are having physiology theory class at 10 a.m. So I will discuss like from the stomach. We have discussed the esophagus, right? So tomorrow we will discuss from here. Okay, esophagus sphincters. Okay. Okay, then thank you, everyone. Attendance is already done because I've
Thank you,
taken.
ma'am.
Okay, I've already taken in the morning.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
then once again, thank you,
Now.
everyone.